We took the most frequently asked and the most urgent technology questions straight to the experts from the automotive sector gathering at the Venetian Convention Center and Caesars Forum and the Las Vegas Convention Center for AAPEX and SEMA 2025. This Whisper Report addresses the question regarding what tech blind spot will stall the aftermarket innovation in 2026 as depicted in Figure 1. Number 1. Training can't keep up. New innovation is great, but only if you know how to use it and apply it. The first challenge isn't as much as the tech as the ability for the employees in the organization to use the tech, as shared by Texa's Fabio Mazzon.
It's going to be up to speed with new technology, try to be trained as much as possible, and follow everything that is new in the automotive world.
Sometimes the technology changes come faster than the teams are ready for. Keeping up to date with the current speed of innovation is a common challenge of many today. Be sure to schedule your inquiry with an analyst to ensure your roadmap is future-proofed and ready for all new innovations coming your way. For additional research on training technologies available, see Conference Whispers, HR Tech 2025. Welcome to Whisper Report. What tech blind spot will stall aftermarket innovation in 2026? Video edition. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC. The answer is always in the whispers. Number 2. Supply chains stay in the dark. One of the biggest challenges for those in the aftermarket industry is simply staying profitable, with the greatest challenge being the supply chain. The tariffs alone have thrown global supply chains into a new environment, as Lynnco's Andrew Yokiel emphasized.
Supply chain, having greater data and visibility into everything from small parcel down to or up to full truckload, LTL, and getting your product to your customers faster and having an idea where it is in the marketplace and having cleaner data to make business decisions to be profitable.
Profitability, much like having customers, is truly a key ingredient to staying in business. For additional research on supply chain and logistics, see Whisper Report, What are the biggest challenges of using generative AI in logistics? And Whisper Report, Can generative AI prevent supply chain disruptions? Number 3. Battery health misread. In order for the used and aftermarket to flourish, the value of those components, or in adding those components, should be commonly agreed upon and understood. Unfortunately, this is a challenge, particularly in the EV market, as Midtronics' Lance emphasized.
Is consumer understanding and credibility of the value and state of health of a battery pack. So that drives the market prices down because the understanding versus mileage on a gas car versus what's the state of health of the battery and how long is it going to last and how do you repair these things creates the biggest gap for a consumer to be able to trust and utilize the vehicle. Despite having lower service costs long term and things like that, I think that'll be the biggest blocker in the near term.
This has been Whisper Report. What tech blind spot will stall the aftermarket innovation in 2026? The answer is always in the whispers. Join the conversation and subscribe today.